If your mind is weak, stop this video right now. Because today, I'm about to give you the formula to become not just a man, but a master manipulator. Have you ever wondered why some people walk into a room and instantly grab everyone's attention? Why some people can make others live or die for them with just a signal, while you scream and no one even listens? The difference isn't luck. The difference is skill, the art of controlling people. Acharya Chanakya once turned Chandragupta from dust into an emperor, not with swords, but with strategy. And today I'm giving you 8 of the most dangerous psychological weapons from Chanakya's teachings. And listen carefully. By the time you reach point number 3, buckle up, because that rule is so powerful, so unethical. You'll be able to make your enemy work for you without them even realizing they're being used. So the question is, are you ready to become a player, or will you stay a pawn forever? Your choice. Move number 1, the power of disappearing. If you want respect, reduce your availability. Do you think always being available, answering every call, running to everyone, will make people respect you? No, you're digging your own grave. Psychology calls this the scarcity principle. People don't value what's always available. They chase what feels just out of reach. Gold is valuable because it's rare. If it was lying on the street, no one would care. When you're always available, you become common. And common things get used, not respected. If you ignore this rule, people will take you for granted. Your words will lose weight. You'll speak the truth and still be ignored. Solution? Disappear sometimes. Let people miss you. Let them wonder, where did he go? Is he upset with me? That curiosity, that uncertainty, that's your power. Move number 2, exploit weakness. Every person in this world is buyable. You just need to know their price. And no, it's not always money. Everyone has a weakness, a hunger. In dark psychology, this is called leverage. People are controlled by 4 things: lust, anger, greed, ego. Chanakya's strategy was simple. The greedy, control them with rewards. The ego-driven, feed their pride with praise. The foolish, tell them what they want to hear. The wise, win them with truth. If you attack without understanding weakness, you're shooting arrows in the dark. Move Nurga 3, the sweet poison addiction principle. This one is dangerous. This is how religions, politicians, and corporations control people. Create dependency. Never fully satisfy anyone, because the brain releases dopamine, not when it gets the reward, but when it anticipates it. This is called intermittent reinforcement. If you give someone everything, love, time, value, you become worthless to them. Why? Because there's nothing left to chase. Control method. Give a little, then pull back. Show love, then become distant. That uncertainty makes them obsessed with you. In business, make them feel like only you can solve their problem. Because the moment they don't need you, they leave. Move number 4, the power of silence. Silence is more uncomfortable than noise. When someone gives you a weak or incomplete answer, don't speak. Just look at them and stay silent. That silence creates pressure. They'll start talking more, defending themselves, and eventually reveal the truth. The less you speak, the more powerful your words become. Move number 5, act dumb. Even if you're smart, act a little stupid. People love feeling smarter than others. When they think you're harmless, they drop their guard. They reveal everything. And that's when you strike. Winning matters. Looking smart doesn't. Move number 6, divide and rule. If a group stands against you, don't fight them. Divide them. Plant a small seed of doubt. Say something like, hey, I shouldn't say this, but he was talking about you. That's it. Now they'll destroy each other. Unity is strength. So break the unity. Move number 7, be feared, not just loved. If you're always kind, the world will chew you up and spit you out. Respect doesn't come from love alone. It comes from fear. People respect what can hurt them. If they know you'll never fight back, they'll cross every boundary. Sometimes, you need to show your dark side. Your kindness only has value when people know your anger exists. Move number 8, emotional detachment, the ultimate weapon. This is the final rule. If you master everything, but not this, you lose. If your emotions control you, you are a slave. If you control your emotions, you are a king. Your biggest weakness isn't money or people, it's your emotions. The moment someone can make you angry, make you desperate, make you afraid, they control you. Become emotionally detached. Win? Stay calm. Lose? Stay calm. Play the game like a game. So now tell me, which move felt the most dangerous to you? Will you use move number 3 or master the silence of move number 4? Comment below. And if you want the next level of dark psychology, hit like, subscribe, because the game is far from over.